into our crafts classroom / workshop. So come on in, have a little look. So this is available in a level 1 and a level 2. As you can see, the students have been working on plastering, they've been building up the walls, they also get a chance to work on their paint skills as well. So we're going to take a little look around the corner. And this is where the students can really work on their plastering skills and their techniques with the supervision of a lecturer. So you can see, again, really good space for a workshop, and this comes under our construction and building services courses. So we're going to have a little look inside our woodwork room. So this is where our level 1 carpentry and joinery students would be. This is where they're learning the basic skills and knowledge. And again, you can see it's a really good workshop for the students to be in. Okay, so we're going to have a little look at our bricklaying workshops. So come on in. So we have levels 1, 2 and 3 in here, and we also have our apprentices. So apprentices that come in for their 1 day a week, they will come into this workshop. You can see that the students have been really busy. Again, they've got a really good space to work in. They'll work on different techniques, lots of maths involved in this, so of course work on your maths, a lot of communication as well if you're working in a large company, okay. So again, really good space. They've also got the outside area as well,